There are many curved concrete work can be found on floor. So it can be sidewalk, landscape, or gardens, driveway. Also, there's many buildings having more and more curved concrete profiles. The flex formwork is designed and made for curved concrete. The concrete surface is very smooth after demolition. The value of flex concrete formwork: easier, faster, and cost saving because it is lightweight, non-sticky to cement, easy to work with, bendable, quick, and high efficiency in work. Dimension stable for more than 7 years in outdoor, whatever dirty water environment. And because it can be reused more than 500 times, the per usage cost is much lower compared to other formwork in the market. We are the OEM factory since 2009, more than 15 years experience, and many of our customers have profitable operation and a high value brand, local brand after working with us. We are not salesmen. We are engineers, honest, easy communication, and worry-free to be working with. FLX flexible formwork is very niche product. It is small volume and not commodity. And we have created more than 22 SKU for easy of use and various application. If you have any interest, you can contact us on our Alibaba website, or you can also email us and also WhatsApp us.